Hey, hello guys. Today we are going to see how to download icons from Figma Community. Most of the time, we require a custom resources to build a project. So let's get started. Open the Figma. I have already opened my system. So these are the files you have observed here on the right side. These are the files which I have already worked on. So this is a Figma on the top. There is a menu where you can create a designs. You can create design of you can create a different kind of files like design Figma, jam slides, buzz site, etc. So without wasting time, so let's open the communities on Figma. So on your left side, if you see here, my name is showing, that is course. So if you click on it, you will get some list here. But before that, there is option you will see below the recent options, like templates and tools. So click on that. You will going to see here is a community forum interface. Basically, it is an interface where all the resources is placed. Suppose I want to download the icons or a design system to or to build my own applications by taking the reference from Figma community itself. It boosts the productivity, and it boosts the quality as well. So let's get search first. On the right side, you will see search bar. This is the search bar. You can simply type the keyword, and the desired result will be shown here. Suppose I want icons, so just click icons. So you will get icons. A community has a paid and free version as well. So I'm going with the free version. So basically, free version getting started. Here, lots of options are there. I'm choosing icons first option. So double click on it. It will pop up like this, and it will ask you to open the Figma to access this icon. So click on open in Figma. I have multiple accounts, so in case if you have only one account, it will directly open in your file. So I have a multiple account, so it is asking which account to use in opening the file. So I'll choose my primary account, and here it goes, and it is opening. Just wait. Boom. So here you will see lots of icons. You will see there are two pages. Basically, this is the cover which shows the icons, basically thumbnail, and on the second page is icons. Basically, you will see lots of icons. I'll zoom it to show you, and you can simply click on it and drag whatever you want. The icon will be duplicate, and you can use that icon. I'll show you. I can also change the colors. So from here, select the icon first. On the right side, in a property panel, you will see uh, fill color is height, and in the bottom, selected color is primary color is black. So click to unlink first, and from here, click on the colors. Choose the colors, whatever you want, and the color will apply on the icons. So this is the way of downloading any resources from Figma. If you like the video, don't forget to subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon. See you in the next video.